So I was experimenting to see whether ChatGPT could actually help me build a GTA 6 style game in Unity. In the previous part of this series, I added Lucia's character model to the game, and along with that, I also created a beautiful and detailed open world map in Unity. After setting up the environment, I added multiple vehicles that Lucia can drive around the city. Once the vehicles were working properly, I went a step further and added a gun in Lucia's hand, which means now she can aim and fire inside the game. Just like the original GTA games, I also implemented a minimap, making the gameplay feel realistic and immersive. If you haven't watched that video yet, you can find the link in the description below. Now, after that video, a lot of you requested to see bikes added to the game, so in this part, I'm finally going to do that. To make things easier and faster, I took a bit of help from ChatGPT. It suggested that I add a bike model in Unity and attach a specific script to it. I followed those steps, and as a result, the player can now ride a bike smoothly inside the game, just like in a real GTA games. Besides that, many of you suggested that I add NPCs as well, and honestly, that was a very valid request. In an open world game, NPCs are extremely important because they make the world feel alive. Without NPCs, the map may look good, but the game feels empty. So to add NPCs, I once again went back to ChatGPT for help. It suggested that I use Mixamo to animate multiple NPC character models and then import those animated models into my Unity project. After that, it recommended using a NavMesh agent to handle NPC movement and basic AI navigation. I followed these steps exactly and set everything up in my project. At this stage, the NPC was successfully added to the game, but there was a small issue: the NPC was not moving at all. So, as ChatGPT suggested, I baked the NavMesh for the environment and then asked ChatGPT to generate a movement script for the NPC. I attached that script to the NPC, and finally, it started moving around in the world. But then I noticed something weird: the NPC was actually walking straight into a car. To fix this issue, I used a NavMesh obstacle, and that solved the problem. After that, I also added a feature where the NPC can be shot and killed. Now, if the player shoots the NPC twice, the NPC dies and drops some money, which the player can then loot, making the gameplay feel more interactive and realistic. Now, causing trouble to NPCs is obviously not allowed, so because of that, the game also needs a police system, just like in GTA, to manage these situations and maintain order in the open world. So to handle this, I added police characters to the game. I took a police officer model from Mixamo and imported it into my Unity project. After that, I attached a baton to the police officer's hand so he could actually attack the player. Next, I took some help from ChatGPT to write the required AI behavior code. After attaching that code, the police officer can now detect the player, chase her around the map, and attack her if she breaks the law. After that, I added a GTA-style UI in the top right corner that displays the player's health and money, making it easy to keep track of your status during gameplay. On top of that, I added a hospital system, so when the police take you down and your health reaches 0, you can respawn and recover at the hospital, which feels very similar to how things work in GTA and keeps the gameplay flow smooth. Next, I added several more NPC character models into the game. These NPCs are set up to wander around the map randomly, moving from place to place instead of standing still. This makes the open world feel much more alive and busy. So now, let me know in the comments what else you think I should add next to make this game even better.